Hello Fashionistas, welcome back again to another fashionable moment on your number one channel of choice, where we keep you abreast with the latest trend in African fashion, e-fashion world. My name is BJ, I'm the content director here at e-fashion world. This particular material you are seeing on display is called vintage material. It's one lovely material that is meant for both genders, male or female. I wore this very material in my last video, the one I uploaded on Saturday, and that was then I started getting messages from guys admiring the material and wanting to know more about the material, and that was the reason why I decided to put up this very video to talk about the material and what you can style out of that material. It's called vintage material and it's very lovely, slicky material that both guys and ladies can rock. And I was so surprised receiving calls from guys because I thought what I was dishing out, what I'm already dishing out are stuff for women, and getting call from guys now make me thought like, okay, once in a while like this, we should be doing something that will make us to be carrying everyone along. This very material, that's one unique thing about it. Unlike Ankara, lace, though guys do rock that as well, but on some rare occasions. But this very material is one material that you can style and rock anywhere. That is, this material is multi-purpose, anywhere from office to party, depends on how you choose to style it. You can make a shirt like this very one out of it, and a short and your sneakers on it. You can make a shirt, a trouser and a nice shoe on it. Same way goes to the ladies. They can also rock this very material. With this material they can make a gown, a maxi gown at that, fabulously styled out of this very material. It's called vintage material, and I'm going to be featuring this material prominently in my subsequent videos on this very channel. Get hold on this very material, vintage material, try it, style it, and you'll be glad you did. It's very lovely material, not cheap, and at the same time not too expensive material, but it's one material that if you put it on, most definitely you're going to get noticed wherever you go, especially when it is well tailored by an experienced fashion designer. Vintage material, very lovely quality material indeed. So just try it for a size and thank me later. So I will see you in my next video. Thank you.